Misano, sometimes we go to Mugello, but you understand that you cannot organize every week. So the range start like this. We make an oval with another oval inside, so you can have left and also right corners. We build the rest of the track that is more a TT circuit. You have to brake, you have to hairpin, because we need a complete track. You have fast corner. The layout is a great fun.
For me, the hardest part is the oval, because in the TT there is one line. If you do this line, you can go fast, but in the ovals you have 20 line possibilities.
The most tricky corner here is the second corner, the pin. It's very difficult because it's downhill, but then there is compression and then uphill. Every year I try to focus on that corner, but it's not easy.
If you work very good with the riding style, you can be fast, but if you make only one mistake, you struggle a lot.
The concept behind the ranch is we want to make a track for our training, especially winter training.
During the winter, to ride on asphalt track with the temperature is very difficult.
We need something that gives to us the skills to control the bike when the bike slides.
In case of rain, it's important to have good feeling with a less grip.
The surface of the track is very slippery and the condition can change a lot, so you have to be very precise.
This is the challenge of the range.
Here you train a lot the sensibility of your front wheel and the rear tire also, how it spin.
You have to push on the brakes, slide inside of the corner.
With the 250 four-stroke or with the 450 four-stroke, you have a real Grand Prix motorcycle with a high level performance. When you are on the dirt, you have a lot less grip. You have to move on the seat for improve the traction. These are all important things for improve your skill on the asphalt.